For the third time, we see a total win defended successfully, and with that, the scoreline says 16-3. Welcome to the post-match presentation of Rosemarg NMPL Season 4, proudly presented by Mazgaon Cricket Club. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to the NMPL committee for the remarkable hosting of this spectacular Season 4 of Rosemarg NMPL, an outstanding tournament organized by Mazgaon Cricket Club and approved by Mumbai Cricket Association. Time to thank our sponsors, title sponsor Rosemarg Limited, official streaming platform Waves OTT and DD Sports. Associate and team sponsors Vashi Warriors, Monarch Network Capital Limited, Thane Tigers, Sukra Pharmaceuticals, Belapur Blasters, Jojo Limited, Amarnath Avengers, Emirates Holding Group, Koparkhane Titans, Sarvamangal Equity Assets Management Private Limited, Sanpada Scorpions, Srimad Bhagwat Assets Management LLP, Meera Band Lions, Move Moda, Aroma Ventures Private Limited, and Kalyan Tuskers. Zest 1 point always. Talking about the result of the match, Move Mirabai and the Lions won this game by 15 runs. Now it is time to introduce our post-match presentation party. Starting by my left, we have got Mr. Prashant Gowde, the selector of NMPL. Then to his left, we have got Mr. Vaman Chauhan. Then we have got Mr. Jitendra Deshmukh. Our three dignitaries over here for the post-match presentation. Thank you for being over here. Can we have Arman Sheikh over here, the captain of Avengers? Arman, the bowlers didn't apply that well. Maybe you could have restricted them somewhere around 160.
Exactly. I mean, the way we bowled in the power play and in the first 10 overs, it seemed like game was well in control. But then, like I said, they are good players and playing good cricket. So they did well. I mean, they surely converted runs.
If the top order batters would have taken a little bit more responsibility, I think this target could have been chased down. Seeing the way Vishwajit and the other batters were trying in the lower order.
Exactly. I mean, the game was the power play cost us the game today. I mean, a better approach or better intent would have surely turned the game in our favor. But like they say, we are always the student. We are always learning, and still the learning phase is going on. I don't know when it's going to end, but still a lot more to do.
Hope that learning phase ends in the next game. All the best for your future games. Thank you.
Thank you.
Time to call upon the winning captain, but he's also a player of the match. That is Pragnesh Kaniwar. Oh, he'll first receive the trophy over here. Piliwar over here. And then Zixa Strong Sunscreen from Mr. Vaman. Then Sculpted Nutrition over here from Mr. Jitender. Once again, a captain's knock. But somewhere disappointed that couldn't get that triple digit.
No, it's fine. I think it's part of the game. We were trying to get as many runs as possible, but I would have liked to get 3 digits.
Some of the players were not playing. You experimented today, but still the performance was very good from your boys.
Yeah, actually we got a decent total on this pitch. With the pitch being a little on the damper side, I think 180 was fine, but the standards we have set for ourselves, I think we should have got 200. We were 15-20 runs short, but yeah, the bowlers did a great job, so it worked out for us.
What do you have to say about your two fast bowlers, Yogesh and Amol? They really bowled well in the death overs.
Yeah, Yogesh, Amol and even Shirsat, they have been exceptionally well, so I hope they keep this form continuing till the end of the tournament.
All the best for future games. Well done. So that is all from this post-match presentation. See you in the evening.
भारत के बढ़ते हुए हेल्थ केयर सेक्टर में शुक्रा फार्मास्यूटिकल